Hi, I'm Chris Siegel, Vice President of Product Development at SATCO Products, and today we're going to talk about the Plus series of our slim fit wafer style downlights. I'm here with Alex Truong, who's the product manager for this category, and he's going to teach us about this product group.
So the Plus series is, think of it as an upgrade to our Performer series. They are ideal for customers who are looking for higher output plus enhanced design options. What I mean by that is that first, they're available in two sizes, 4-inch and 6 inches, as well as black and white, classic colors. And also, they're available in two different lens types. So we have a flat lens type right here, as well as a regressed version. They're all edge lit. As an upgrade to the Performer, it has all the features and benefits of the Performer series. We're talking about 90 CRI, great for color quality. We have a CCT select switch. You can pick from 5 different color temperatures, 2700 Kelvin all the way up to 5000 Kelvin. This product has a gasket, which will give it airtight rating, as well as IC rated and Energy Star certified. The driver box, as you can see here, plenty of space to get in there. They also come with quick connects, so you can do the installation quickly. It has 4 knockouts. 1/2-inch knockouts, 2 on the side and 2 in the back right there on the front.
Okay. And what about the voltage and dimming?
These operate at 120 volt and they work off of triac phase cut dimmers.
This is a quick review of our Plus series downlights, and to learn more about the extensive and full range of recessed lighting categories that we offer, please visit us at satco.com.